It has 2 cherries that are both mini. It's giving lesbian. A double. I'm in trouble. The consume is consuming me, girl. Did I leave with a lounge fly? To anything that is very femme-esque are for the girls. Welcome to another day in Anaheim. Today we are going to, it's Friday. It's our rest day before Disneyland again tomorrow. We're going to Orange County Outlet Mall just to kind of see what's there, and I really want to buy my first Loungefly. I almost bought a Loungefly in Disneyland, but it was just so expensive, and I was like, I don't like any of these, they're just not giving. So we'll see if I get a bag today, but I'll take you along, see what we can find, see what we can do at the Outlet Mall. We made it to the mall. Where?
Oh, In-N-Out. You're right.
I told you, we gotta get In-N-Out.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Maybe for lunch we'll do In-N-Out then?
Okay. We're gonna go to Corona Toys for shirts.
Yeah, the Puma.
Oh, okay.
This is outlet prices now.
Okay.
Because remember you wanted those Puma dry fit shirts?
Okay, let's just remember we only have 47 pounds.
No, I have my duffel.
Oh shit, yes.
We'll circle back here.
Okay.
Dave and Buster's night too. Do you want to?
No.
You sure?
Yeah, maybe later. I found a Loungefly that I liked. It was a Lilo one, a Lilo and Stitch one. It's red, or there's this blue jean looking one that's Pokemon themed. So we'll see. But we're gonna walk around more and see what else there is. Oh, Nike. Oh, this might be my chance to find some good sweatpants from Nike.
Oh, that's true. Well, Loungefly first?
Oh yeah.
Or not?
Is box lunch right here? No, it's more down. Oh yeah, here. Box lunch is like right here.
Oh, see? Do you want to just do it, or you want to pop in? Because yeah. I'm gonna take my time in there.
Okay, let's go box lunch then.
Yeah.
Yeah, I swear the other one we went to, it was busy AF.
No, but I'm sure that was like a weekend we fitted.
Wait, no, that one's in Vegas now.
Oh yeah, that was. Oh,
yeah.
Okay. That makes sense.
These jerseys are really cute.
Sally.
These are the Lunar New Year ones.
Oh, that's how they again.
Ooh,
this is cute.
That one's cute.
Actually.
What is this, Moana?
45.
Oh no.
What is this?
This is that guy. I forgot his name.
Pink is.
Oh my god, there's a bag behind you. Ooh. What?
Oh my.
What's this? Frozen?
Is it?
Arceum. Oh, Court of Thorn and Roses. Oh my god. That's good. Yeah. Oh my god, this is not Disney. It's so cute. Carry your collectible Tokidoki. That is cute. Wow.
If you want to do a matching.
Oh. A little cute display. Toothless. Oh. So cute. Stop. And for Mickey and for me. Dude, $65. Oh my god. I can't find one that's me. Maybe I'm not a Loungefly girl. Oh, Ratatouille. It's cute. I don't think this is the bag for me. Which is really sad. Maybe if I go back more, maybe I'll find something. I haven't found anything yet.
Oh, just look around. There's a lot of
things everywhere. Look what I found. A Slowpoke. I found more Loungefly. I knew there had to be a bigger selection. It's here. You gotta look. This one is so cute. This one's so cute. It's so black. Pokemon Loungefly. I even saw one with Eevee.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That was so cute because there's Slowpoke. Oh no, there's no Slowpoke. There's Psyduck.
I think it's too blue for me.
I think it's just so cute seeing everything. Oh my goodness.
I know, it's $12.
These are good though. Like their pricing is not like
over the top.
Yeah.
There's also this one.
Oh, that one's cute.
Yeah. I can't make up my mind. If I can't make up my mind, I shouldn't get one. Yeah, it's 80. There's no sale.
Girl.
Okay, this is what I found. It has 2 cherries that are both mini. It's giving lesbian. It's giving lesbian. It's giving very my vibe. It's giving, this is the bag I'm going to bring every time I come to Disneyland or of the sort. And it also has this cute wallet. Like, this is very hetero. Wait, there's more down here. I should compare. We're going to Spencer's now. Oh, is there any lounge flies? Do you need gauges or anything?
Huh?
Do you need gauges or earrings?
No.
Okay.
I just get my from Amazon.
We're in Nike, and I really want to find some sweatpants. Hopefully there's XXLs. Is there a 2XL? Have you seen 2XL yet?
No, this only goes up to XL.
What the heck?
Do you like
This
it?
is a cute one. Yeah, I like it. I like the one in the back. Oh, these are nice. Can you believe we bought those shoes? Those ones right there, the pandas, for like over $100.
Look at how much they are.
Yeah, I wish I wasn't part of that hype. I know, I saw those. Those look so good.
This is your size.
I know.
89?
I'm pissed.
These are 62.
I tried on all these clothes. Didn't really work well. And now I'm sitting down because using the dressing room takes me out. It takes me out. Melissa found these.
Mare, I'm telling you,
Show them.
I'd rather you pick these up versus those dunk lows.
Yeah.
I mean, that's a pretty good price on the dunk lows, though, but I'll test
Those are
them
nice.
out for you.
Test them out. Let me know.
I mean, yeah, they're mids, but who cares?
I like a mid.
I feel like
8.5 women's.
8.5 women's. These are too tight for me.
Oh. And the white shoes? No, I'm good. I don't need.
You're not going to pick up any?
Maybe-
Not even the one behind?
Maybe just the mid rises.
If there's something to live with today, it's that.
I mean, we can share.
Yeah. Should I try a pair of pandas?
Yeah, try the pandas because the ones that you have now are like beat.
They're yellow.
They've been beat. We've struck gold. Heading to In-N-Out. Oh man, I'm so excited. We're here. Oh my golly jeepers. I didn't think, wait, there's only, oh, so excited. Animal fries, my double-double, Melissa's double-double Dutch peppers, strawberry shake. Let's get it. Let's eat. We were just saying we didn't think we'd come here, and now we're here. I gotta take my rings off. Time to chow down. Cheers.
We made a mistake of not ordering more of the hamburgers. I think we have to.
Ask them. Oh, good thinking. It's still warm. Oh my god, I wasn't showing you guys. I'm so sorry. Much better.
Did you say yeah?
Much better. Is it spicy? The peppers?
It cuts through the grease.
Something's crunchy. Do you have something crunchy in your fries?
No. Could be burnt.
Oh, a double-double. I'm in trouble.
Yeah.
I wish I worked in California so I could just come here monthly. We are officially back from shopping at the outlet mall, having In-N-Out. After lunch, we went to go walk a little more. We went to a couple stores and we bought final things, or at least I did. I'm gonna show you the haul. We went to the Old Navy outlet. These prices could never get any cheaper, honestly. I got 3 sweatpants from Old Navy, all for $45 with Melissa's whatever deal she was making at the cashier. But I got these very like lightweight sweatpants. So I got this black one. They're all wide-legged. No, is this the gray one? Oh, this is the dark gray one. It has like a cargo look, which will be really nice for the gym, and they're very light. Old Navy never does me wrong. And then I got the same cargo. It's the So Comfy. Yeah, the So Comfy style at Old Navy. The last one is not a cargo, but it is an all black sweatpant. Those were the sweatpants. The next haul, we got it at Nike. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. The only clothing I got was, or we got, because we're gonna share a lot of these outfits, a running short. Well, Melissa said this is for me, but this is a men's running short. I mean, the women's, it's cool. You know, it's cool that we have like underwear, but I feel like a built-in liner is more secure. We got a little swimming short. I don't own a lot of these types of shorts. Melissa got some flip-flops. Huh? Slides. Some white ones for her dad. And then these are the really cool ones. We found these mid-rise. I don't even know what they're called, but these black and white mid-rise for less than 80, right? They were 53. $53 for these mid-rises. Do you guys remember what we were paying during every drop? Me and Melissa will be rocking these. Which reminds me, I wonder how shoe stores are doing now. Because you know how shoe stores had it like priced all the way up? Like, what is it now? Shoe stores, are you guys doing okay? Guess what else was in the additional? You're gonna love these. We also got these brown low dunks. 53, $1 less. Girl, you know why? There's a little nick on the inside of the check mark. Sorry. I don't know if you can see it. On the stock wall, there it was 70, 90, 89.99. But yeah, but we found these, or the guy found these on the wall. These are size 9, the last ones, I guess. Has a little nick, but you can't see it when I'm walking. Can you? No. Did I leave with a lounge fly? I did. I did find a lounge fly at Box Lunch. I swear to God, this is going to be my first and last lounge fly unless someone would love to gift me one. I specifically bought this lounge fly bag because I think it's a Valentine's exclusive with Box Lunch, or it was just on sale for a Valentine's exclusive. Is it part of the Valentine's? I don't know, but it was on the Valentine's shelf, and I would like to believe that it is part of the Valentine. Actually, I should look that up. I can't find it. Anyways. Okay, I don't think it's part of the Valentine's exclusive, but for the colors, you can say it's giving Valentine's. It's so cute. It's the Minnie Mouse Cherry Pie convertible mini backpack. So I didn't get the normal like big size bag, but I did get the mini backpack that you can wear as a backpack or as like a side pack. And also I let Melissa take a picture of me to see like what it looks like on my back. And let me just say, it kind of makes my ass look fat. Like, this is the bag. Also, when I say that this bag doesn't give hetero like the usual Valentine's like Mickey and Minnie merch, look at this. Cherries. 2 cherry minis. That's kind of giving gay. 2 anything that is very femme-esque are for the girls. So that's why I picked it. I could do without the ears, but honestly, and to go with it, I got the matching cord purse, and I'm just gonna like, it's gonna be on the side. I'm really excited to wear it tomorrow at Disneyland. And this is a vibey bag for me. I really love it. It's giving a reminder to my first ever Sweethearts night. And it's giving a reminder that it was a fun little love romantic trip for me and Melissa. So I'm excited to wear this tomorrow at our final day at Disneyland. So happy. I'm so happy I waited because I would be showing you a whole different vibe from the Disneyland. And that lounge fly bag was about to be $80 total. So, all right. We just got dinner
We
from
have
Taco Lunch.
taco stand.
We got some agua fresca, some horchata. Did you taste it?
No, I didn't. Did you?
Yeah. Taste it.
Oh, you don't like
No,
it?
taste it.
Yes.
Okay, we made a bet. My queso taco. It said that there was 2 tortillas that have the meat that I choose with melted cheese. I was thinking 2 tortillas like this, but Melissa thinks that tortillas are going like this. So we're about to see.
So I'm saying there's 1. She's saying there's 2.
And you're about to tell me what it is.
Mayor!
What is it? 2 tortillas! It's 1. No, there's $6.
No. But
No,
here, this is what people do.
Wait, okay.
So from here, take that bottom one, You can make 2. Split the meat.
Okay. She said I can split the meat. Something light.
Nothing crazy.
Nothing crazy.
Oh,
Oh, this looks spicy.
No, that consomme looks good.
What is it called?
Consomme.
Oh. Okay, and Melissa has a huge ass
Show 'em.
burrito.
Show him.
It's huge and hot. Very hot.
I know, he was so nice. And he was on the phone with his mom.
Oh, is he from the Choco Shop? Or I can take my rings off. I'm about to pound 2 tortillas. You know what? Actually, I got you. I got you.
Mary, split it.
No, it's good. There's a lot of work. I just want to eat it.
Do you want me to do it?
No, I got it.
I don't know why you hopped into the shower. You never grabbed the DoorDash?
Exactly. I grabbed a lot. Oh no, you did. Some onions. Is this green onions or?
It's cilantro.
Cilantro. This is giving hands-on, dance-on.
Oh. Oh.
How big is your burrito?
It's a lot.
It's humongo.
Oh, we're about to half it, so perfect.
Get some of this lemon, lime. Gonna take some of the sauce. Twirl my taco.
Damn. This burrito is good.
I got birria, by the way. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. You want half of this?
Yeah.
You do?
That's messed up.
You want a bite though?
Oh, dang it, Mary. You can't have this.
There's guac.
They put guac.
I don't want it. I'm good.
Damn, this is amazing.
There's choke guac in that thing. I see it through the burrito.
Well, one of the sauces was really hot. I'm not sure which one.
You guys, this sauce is so good. This sauce is good too. You should try the sauce.
Oh my god.
You want a bite?
This is probably one of the best tacos I ever had.
Me too. Burrito. The consume is consuming me, girl. Ooh. My bowel systems are going.
I wish I had more of this green sauce.
Here, bite. No, bite, babe.
No.
Please.
Mmm.
You sure?
That corner.
Oh, that's really wow. Good.
I know.
What meat do you have?
Carne asada.
Oh, I should have got that. How was mine? You didn't say anything.
I ate majority of it. Can you put some of the onions and cilantro on top?
No.
Are you really using your Disneyland soda right now?
Yeah.
In this.
That one's spicy for some reason.
You mean seasoned?
10 out of 10 would recommend, y'all. You guys go. If Locos Cholos is not available via DoorDash and you don't want to move, go to the taco stand on DoorDash. Be ready in 30 minutes. Faster, actually. I'm going to finish up this burrito, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Good night. Bye.